Hi, I'm Ryan McCloskey. I'm part of EastWing Architects, and I was the lead architect on this project.
And I'm Mitch Kohler, Director of Construction at Apex Builders Group, and I manage the construction of the home.
And today we're here at our project in Otterbein to take a look at some of the details throughout the home. When our clients first purchased the property, it consisted of a 4-story main house and a 3-story carriage house connected by a deck. Our objective was to connect the two structures while adding functional yet interesting spaces. This project also included tearing off the carriage house roof to create a rooftop deck with sweeping views of downtown. Inside the connector, you will find a breezeway entrance off the courtyard, an office, a library, as well as a lounge that provides access to the new rooftop. Due to the limited floor-to-floor height of the existing home, this connector was our best chance to add some drama. On level 2, you will find a 2-story library opposite the client's workstation. The library millwork wraps around the windows to make a feature wall capped by a sliding ladder for easy access to the high shelves. Above, when walking to the primary suite, you pass the library on a bridge that offers views through the stacks and to the park beyond. On level 4, the lounge offers a hint of Baltimore before stepping out onto the roof. To ensure the best views, we raised the deck level 2 feet and installed a glass rail for uninhibited views of the city. So here we are up on the 4th level. We're in the lounge, and we're going to discuss the base trim detail and how that evolved throughout the project. When the project first got underway, we had a standard 1x4 applied white oak base detail throughout the entire home. But after the whole project team was assembled, we sat down and really discussed the details and how we could improve them before construction began.
So when we came in, we had several meetings with EastWing and the clients and discussed ways that we could really elevate this home to the next level and really bring that fine detail to fruition. One of the ways we did that was bringing more of a commercial setting of a regulated Z-channel drywall detail into the home that we usually do with a paint grade base below. And I really wanted to incorporate the white oak as much as possible to carry through to match the doors, the cabinetry, and the flooring throughout the home. And this is the detail that we ended up with.
So now we're going to discuss the stair details. This is a 4-story home, so they're an important part of the vertical circulation. On the lower levels, we have a traditional enclosed stair where we tuck some of the required house parts, like the mechanical system and the water heater, away. But on the upper levels, we wanted a floating stair that would allow light to filter down from the levels above. Here we are in the kitchen, where we wanted to create a visually appealing yet highly functional space. You'll see the white oak that has been the unifying material throughout the home, as well as a Taj Mahal quartzite. We've wrapped the quartzite up the walls, but in order to not sacrifice any additional space for storage, we needed to find a creative solution to access the space beyond the slab.
To continue with the design aesthetic, we wanted to utilize one slab as the backsplash, and in order to do that, we had to come up with a system ourselves that would, 1, conceal behind the cabinetry, and 2, be able to support a 150-pound sliding slab.
Here we are in the living room to discuss the fireplace. When our clients purchased this home, there was a 1980s corner unit right in the same location, and in order to utilize the existing flue, we kept the fireplace in the same spot, but we really wanted to update, modernize, and match the aesthetic of the rest of the home.
Finding a unit that would incorporate well with the rest of the home was quite a challenge. Apex recommended this manufacturer, and through that, EastWing was able to come up with the perfect selection.
This project required extensive reviews from multiple organizations. We shepherded the design through the Otterbein Community Association, the Commission for Historical and Architectural Preservation, as well as the City Board of Municipal and Zoning Appeals. A few changes were made along the way, but we maintained the overall vision to deliver a truly one-of-a-kind Baltimore home.